Unbelievable. Got to get this fire starting, viewers. It just keeps going out because the wood is so wet. Nearly burned my bloody hand off.
All good, man.
That's
Must be
shit.
coffee time, man.
Hey.
No, we're going to get this fire going soon.
Yeah. Stay with us, eh? We'll try and get this crap started, but yeah, join us for coffee. Cakes, whatever you got, hey, join us.
It's just one of those days, guys. One of those days. Stay tuned. And if you're here for the first time, I will say it again. I say it a lot. Please subscribe. Click the subscribe button and join us on youtube.com/viral6000. So subscribe now, guys. Subscribe. Rainwater's nice. Got some water there for you, bro.
Yeah, got water here. Refreshing. Shit.
Here, mate.
Thanks, bro.
Here's some coffee and bourbon. Here's some coffee, bro.
Thanks, brother. That is beautiful. Better than the fire.
Fire's bloody hard to burn, isn't it? Michael, what is that?
Crazy, man. This is crap. This is shit. Hi guys, got some small baked beans and tomato sauce. Absolutely brilliant for camping. You can see what Jason's doing here. Just cooking some baked beans up. Look at that, eh? It's awesome.
Oh, mate, that's funny. Oh, shit. What an interesting day this has been.
Yeah, that baked beans nearly done, bro.
Yeah, mate. Nice and hot.
Beautiful. I think mine's are cooked.
Well, they're cooked. It's going to be warmed up.
Yeah, the smoke is not that good,
Yeah,
but
the smoke. It'll keep the mozzies away. Well, there'll be no mosquitoes out here anyway because of the rain. But in normal conditions, it'll keep the mosquitoes away.
oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, it'll be pretty hot, yeah. Beautiful.
Oh, look at that. Awesome. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to have to sit back and have some baked bean, guys. Join us.
Look at this, Jace.
It's awesome.
I made my own spoon. Mmm. Lovely.
Try and fix it up here.